Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to secure company data on Google Drive. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to secure company data on Google Drive, all you can do is simply go and tap open your Google Drive. Once you open your Google Drive, you can simply implement access controls like two-factor authentication or the principle of least privilege. You can also regularly audit your permissions and use data loss prevention tools. So you can simply tap on the three dots and tap on manage access. Once you go here, you can find like the general access option. You can simply tap on it and simply tap on restricted. Now there are two options. One, only people added or can open, and others is anyone with link. So if you want to secure your company data, then you need to choose only people added can open. You can also enforce two-factor authentication and use group-based permissions. So this is how you can secure company data on Google Drive. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.